Bonjour, mes amis. Halloween is going to be a bust this year, but that doesn't mean that you can't have fun. This video is for the parents who are last minute scoundreling, trying to figure out what you're going to do with your kids this Halloween. I'm going to share with you 7 tips that I'm going to use to have my kids having fun indoors. And also, if you want to see how I put together this jester look, continue on watching the video. I'm gonna get right into it, and I'm using the Your Shades palette, Beauty Glazed. I'm gonna use a lot of the reds and the blacks. Everything I'm gonna suggest to you is going to be under $10. So take notes. Now, the first thing you can do with them is an indoor scavenger hunt. It's very similar to what people like to do on Easter, where they hide the eggs. Hide your Halloween treats. You can hide them in whichever room, under places. A really fun aspect of it that you can reminds you that, hey, it's still Halloween. Try doing it at night and with the lights off. Depending if your kid's scared of the dark or not, you can let them carry a flashlight, or you can put glow sticks around the treats. Like something really fun, which I'm gonna do, is indoor trick or treating. Now, when I say indoor, literally indoor trick or treating. My idea of indoor trick or treating, of course, is decorate the house, but this time every single door in your house. That means your bathroom door, your closet door, your bedroom's door, if you have like a pantry door, crawl space. We are making everything obtainable inside, okay? No need to go outside at all. It's sort of like playing hide and go seek. Count to 10, say I'm gonna go to the next house, or give your kids time for you to get into the closet. I know this sounds silly, but some of the most silly things are super duper fun. Now, of course, the next one is a classic thing to do, using my liner, and that is the movie marathon. There's a lot of they're not horror, but there's a lot of kids friendly scary movies that you guys can watch. That includes the movie House. That's one that's okay for young kids. There's also Casper the Friendly Ghost. You can watch Nightmare Before Christmas. Do baking. That's something that I personally like to do anyways, but you can also do Halloween treats and stuff like that. Something the kids can help out with. Of course, they can decorate cupcakes and muffins and stuff like that, but you can also make your own little ghost lollipops. So you need tissue, a lollipop, you'll need an elastic band or 2, and also a black marker. So you'll just take your lollipop and then take your tissue and wrap that around the top for the head of the ghost. And then you will take your headband and secure it in place. And then all you need to do left is draw on the eyes and the little shocked mouth. And then there you have it. So the next fun thing that you and your family can do with the kiddies is obviously have a costume dance party. It is exactly what it sounds like. Listen to the Monster Mash. They did the Monster Mash. Listen to all the horrors. Thriller. You can put that on that playlist. Another super fun one is Guess the Object. Now, this one I actually played when I was a kid, so I thought it was really traumatizing, but sort of fun. In a bucket, you can get marbles, or you can just get anything round and put it in a bucket and say that you're dumping your hand into the bucket of eyeballs, which really psychologically freaks you out a little bit, although it's like, let's say, round erasers. You can do the really fun one is getting candy worms and putting some water in the bucket and say you are touching through real life slimy worms. That one's kids have a blast with. I'm gonna use the same silhouette pencil just to do the rest of my gesture. The final thing that you can do and add to your Halloween night is pumpkin decorating. That's always something fun to do that the kids can enjoy. They have now kits at, you can get them at like Dollar Tree, you can get them at Dollarama. Here for me, it's called Dollarama. You can get them at like Dollar Bargain, Walmart, any of those places. They have little kits that you can, I think I'll post a picture here, pumpkins without actually having to carve them. And you can make a contest out of it, of course. Winner gets one more extra candy, or winner gets to choose the movie. Boom. This is the final look. I'm really happy with it. I think this is just gonna be my regular makeup every day, taking my kid to school look. I'm living for it. But if you did find this video helpful, definitely give it a like, comment. You can share it with your family. Sid, let me know if you are gonna try these things out, or see you when I see you. Thanks for watching.